Let's talk today about little English words, an, and the. You see them in English sentences all the time. Yet, why? What are they? These little words are articles. They signal extra information about other words. Let me explain to you how they work. When you construct an English sentence, you always use the structure 1, 2, 3. The first element of this structure always answers the question who or what. In other words, it is always a noun. London, teacher, table, sister. Or a pronoun. I, he, she, it, you, we, they. When the first element is a noun, you put one of the three articles, an, or the, before it. Your first element is article plus noun. You put articles before most nouns, but not when your noun is a personal name. London, Alice, Bob. Not when your noun describes more than one person or object. Apples, more than one apple. Boys, more than one boy. And not when it is impossible to count your noun. Water, snow. You have no idea 1 or 3 water, 5 or 7 snow. Why put an article before a noun? Articles help people understand each other faster and better. In English, we have 2 indefinite articles, and an, and 1 definite article, the. When you use an indefinite article before a noun, for example, a dog, you tell other people, 1, that you have no information about this dog. 2, that it is one of many other dogs. And 3, that it is not a specific dog. An has the same functions and logic like but you use before words that start with a consonant sound. D, B, P, T, etc. For example, a man, a table, a parrot. And you use an before words that start with a vowel sound. A, E, O, etc. An apple, an olive. When you say an olive, your message is one of many, non-specific, new for you. When you use the definite article before a noun, for example, the dog, you tell other people, 1, that you have some information about this dog. 2, that it is a unique dog, not like all other dogs. And 3, that it is a specific dog. So, articles describe nouns, give more information about them, but they have no translation. Historically, they are just helpers. If you have a noun in the third element of your sentence, you use articles in the same way as for a noun in your first element. For example, I see a house, one of many houses. I have no information about it. They drive a car, one of many cars, not unique or specific. I live in London. No article, a personal name. We have electricity. No article. It's impossible to count electricity. I see the house, a specific house. I have information about it. They drive the car. It's a unique or specific car. You will learn more about articles in English in other classes. For now, just use them with nouns in the first and third elements of your sentence.